Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm you have admin access and save any open files because display changes may log you out. Open Settings, go to System then Display, or right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. That gets you to controls fast. Once there, scan the current resolution, scaling percent and arrangement of multiple monitors so you know the baseline. Make sure to note which monitor is primary and the current refresh rate, because you'll revert if something looks wrong. You'll now change the core settings. Select the recommended native resolution, for example 1920 x 1080 or 2560 x 1440, because native gives the sharpest text. Next, adjust scaling percent to suit your eyesight, try 100%, then 125% or 150%, test an app, and iterate. Once done, drag monitors in the arrangement pane to match physical layout, set the primary display explicitly, and, if needed, switch orient. You finish by clicking Apply and confirming the new settings. If the screen goes black or looks wrong, revert within the 15-second prompt. After applying, calibrate color and gamma in Color Management, set night light scheduling, and adjust brightness or refresh rate to prevent flicker. If you encounter a blank or unstable display, try the graphics driver reset with the hotkey Win plus Control plus Shift plus B or boot safe mode to restore defaults. Once stable, verify apps and save your preferred configuration so you can repeat it later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.